This is an example of the standard approach plate, which requires not only the approach plate, but also a full ramp link on the top surface or landing. It's important to note that you must have the entire first link up on the landing, which is at least to the bolt here, so the ramp can then angle down. With the standard placement, there is a bit of a bump to get on and off. This is an example of the upper load-bearing approach plate, which, as you can see, rests just by itself on the upper landing or threshold. It also butts up against the face to provide a very secure placement, and the ramp will not move in this case. The benefits of this load-bearing approach plate is that it provides a smoother transition onto and off of the ramp. As you can see, there's no bump at all. And it is especially beneficial for power wheelchairs, scooters, and manually assisted chairs, as well as flight cases and hand trucks.